We are huge Utah Jazz fans here at Shalee's Bakes Cakes. And of course I had to make a Utah Jazz cake for my son's birthday. So I'm gonna just show you guys how I put this cake together and how we do kind of different color stripes up our cake without a cake cone because I wanted them to kind of be blended together. So welcome back to Shalee's Bakes Cakes. To start out making this fun Utah Jazz cake, I have my cake that I crumb coated, and then I have 4 different colors of buttercream. I have black, red, orange, and yellow, and I want the colors to kind of blend together, kind of like the jersey look of the Utah Jazz. It's the dark mode jersey that we're doing here. So I put those 4 colors into 4 different piping bags, cut off the end of the piping bag, just a little bit off the end there, and now we are going to start making these stripes. So I'm gonna start at the bottom with the black, and you can see all I'm doing is just pushing the buttercream out or around, just as high as you guys want it to go. And then we'll get the red and do the same thing. Then we'll get the orange and do the same. With the yellow, I like to put my cardboard around on top so I get those sharp edges. So I'm gonna add that on, and then we'll start pushing that yellow buttercream around. Now we have fun colors on the cake, and it's time to blend them together a little bit and smooth them out. Now I grab our cake cone, we'll start scraping away that buttercream and smoothing it out. Just softly, just keep going with your cake scraper and start scraping that buttercream away. As we're scraping away, you can see there's little holes in the buttercream, and we'll get our extra buttercream here and start filling in those holes. And just keep on swiping away that buttercream, adding more, and you will eventually get these fun stripes that kind of blend together. You can do a stripe cake without the blending, but today, like I said, we're just doing a blending kind of stripe cake today. I really like the blended look. I really like the clean stripes too, but sometimes it's just fun to just blend all those colors. So it's just kind of a fun look on your cake. Just cut out some fondant letters, and we're just gonna stick Utah right across here, and then number 45 for Donovan Mitchell, of course, my son's favorite. And there you have it. We have a super cute, fun Utah Jazz cake. You can see I added a little bit of popcorn on the top. I also added these super cute basketballs, and they are actually just dipped Oreos. Yep, there's an Oreo inside of this fun little basketball. If you guys want to see a tutorial about how we make dipped Oreos, they're such a fun treat, I will have that coming. Just put it in the comments and let me know. Thanks so much for watching here as we made this fun Utah Jazz cake. Go Jazz! Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and thanks for watching here at Shalee's Bakes Cakes.